Hey everyone, this is Manisha Sharma and I really welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel once again, guys. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm just shooting this video because I don't get the time throughout my day because my children and there are lots of household chores I have to do, children around me, and preparing the food for them, doing the household chores. It takes a lot of time, guys. So I thought I should wake up early in the morning and I make some videos for you guys. So that's how I'm doing it. So today I'm going to talk about one important three points why English is so important. Why English is so important. Yeah, English is the first point I'm gonna talk about. That is, English is important because you want to be respected in the society. Seriously, guys, अगर आप respect पाना चाहते हैं, you have to start communicating with the people in English. Seriously, if you start it now, you will observe that, you will analyze it, you will um, start noticing that people start listening when you speak in English with confidence, with fluency. People start listening you, people listen you, people will listen you. Okay, suppose whenever you go to any kind of a school for your children's parents meeting, you go to the mall, you go to the banks, and there are lots of people who are standing in a queue and just speaking in Hindi and some kind of language. People don't bother them, seriously. And if you went there and you started speaking in English, they will listen to you first. They will gonna give you some more importance rather than others. And it is fact, guys. It's my own experience. That's how I'm just sharing with you. It's truly impactable. If you are speaking in English, it gives you a lot of respect, guys. Seriously. The second point I'm gonna touch it, that why English is so important. English is so important for your survival. Seriously, guys, if you want to work for your family, for your children, for yourself, and you want to be independent, and if you don't know how to articulate your views in front of others, you don't know how to speak in English in front of others, you don't know how to interact, you don't know how to communicate, you won't be survive in any field, guys, trust me. Like, if I take an example, if you are a very simple girl and you want to teach the students in any kind of private school in a basic level, it's not very hi-fi and very prompt kind of a school. But if you want to make the student teach, so if you go there, even if you go there and you start speaking in Hindi, people not give you importance, and this is for sure. It's very inexplicable situations when you are some kind of situations when you want some kind of attention, you want some kind of recognition from others, but people will not listen you, guys, if you are not speaking in English. Okay. And if you want to go any kind of multinational companies and good companies where a lot of people comes from a different places and they speak so well, and how, just think about it, if you are the only person who are not speaking in English, and how you will interact with them, how you will work with them. So, guys, it is very important for your career growth, guys. If I see a lot of people in my life where they just stagnant, because they stuck in their positions, because they are not getting the promotions, they are not getting anything increment on your in their salary, because they are not fluent. okay, because they are not able to speak in English. So for your career growth, it's very important to speak in English, okay. And the third point, I'm gonna touch it here, why English is so important. English is important for yourself. Seriously, guys, I can say this because when I speak in English, I'm just running a play school, I'm just running academy, and lots of parents comes in my institute, and when I start speaking in English with them, they consider me a very educated person. Seriously, guys, when you speak in English, it will enhance, it will boost up your confidence to the next level, trust me, guys. So please focus on your speaking part, and I'm also doing that. You can just join my you can just subscribe my channel, so we can go together in this journey. Okay, guys, if you like the video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. And if I make any kind of flaws, I really don't know how to make a good quality video, but I'm doing that. And trust me, guys, I'm just working so hard to help the people, because I really know that there is a saying that if you want to learn something, you start teaching. If you teach, you learn twice. So I'm just doing that. If you get any kind of help from my videos, please comment me, because your comments means a lot to me, and it will gonna inspire me, guys. Thank you so very much.